Howdy folks, welcome to Plumbing with Tim. Today we are heading to beautiful Atlantic Beach, Florida, to a multi-story oceanfront condominium building to replace a toilet at a customer's house. Let's go see what we're getting into. So here's our beauty for the day. The ladies tried to do some repairs in here, new bolts and stuff. She says she's had enough with this toilet. So we're taking this one out and we're providing her one that's 88, that's a little taller and stuff. So let's get this thing unhooked and get it out of here so we can get our new toilet in. Oh yes. We lucked out. Look, the flange looks like it's not broken. It's always a bonus. One thing we got to do here is just clean this up a little bit and get that grout out of there so we can put the new toilet in. Looks like the daytime heating is creating some big thunderstorms over there on the mainland. Hopefully we can get this done before we get our butts wet. So our replacement today is going to be a Gerber Maxwell. Standard height, elongated, and the customer's opted out of a new seat, so we're taking the old one off and we're going to be putting it on that. So let's go ahead and put that together. There she is. Very simple to put these toilets together too. Only one wrench, double wrench. You just take dog ears, I turn them. No pliers, I don't want to break the little dog ears. Just snug them up nicely. That. Come on. There we go. And that infamous thick booted Gerber tank bowl gasket. That's ready to go on to the new bowl. Set that. We on there straight? One tool to put this toilet together. One tool only. Less of a headache. Now, like all you guys out there, especially plumbers, know, it's a crapshoot when you pull these toilets up that haven't been pulled in a while. If the flange is broken out, we lucked out this time. The flange looks low, the dog ears are good. We're put together, we're ready to set this toilet. Oh yeah, just like butter. Oh, yeah. I don't feel it rocking either. Ho, 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 ho. I hear music playing.
Mm-hmm.
Nice and easy. You want it breaking that. Nice and easy. There we go. Here we go. No leaks. Nice install. Let's put the seat down because it's all women that live here. No leaks, looks good. That was quite easy to install. You know, not all the jobs I do are that dramatic and stuff like that. Total for an install like this, like I said, if you're in a business to get this kind of toilet, we recommend them quite often. It's the Gerber brand. This is a Maxwell. Charge $175 for the toilet, $5 for the wax seal, $5 for the consumables. So that's $185 plus $100 for my labor. So that's $285 plus tax. Not too bad. It's a good looking toilet. It flushes well. People are happy. Toilet installed for under $300. That's not bad. That's all the time we got for this one. Thank you so much for hanging out and watching a simple, easy little install for us today. We got lucky. As you all know, especially plumbers, you're not always lucky. You might pull the toilet up and the flange is broke, or there's rocks and you have to put shims underneath it. But everything worked out real well. Customer was happy, and we're on our way out of here. Have a great evening, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, it's been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.